Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this Firewall micro appliance mini PC. It's a Firewall micro appliance and a mini PC. There are tons of them out there. This is what I like to call a Protectly clone. And I'm just gonna do an unboxing. This is the OAKNODE version of this. I'll put a link in the description, and the reason why I'm making this video is because when I was looking for one of these, they were there was no information on the website itself. It only had one listed. So let's get to it. This video is not sponsored in any way. I'm just gonna do an unboxing, and I'm gonna open this up to see what it looks like. It says that it brings 8 gigs. We'll see about that. Okay, so out of the box you have a warranty card. Inside you have a install initial password, pre-installed for systems. It supports router systems. You can set up as a router, and these are the different OSs. You could install Windows 7, 10, 11, CentOS, Ubuntu, so it supports Linux. You could set up as a firewall, which is what we want to do, OpenSense and pfSense. This one comes with pfSense out of the box, which that's exactly why I wanted it. You could set up as a NAS using Unraid or QHNAS. I'm sure you could set it up with other, through Linux. You could do hypervisor system, Windows, QHNAS, Store iOS, iQual, ESX, PVE. This is another hypervisor for PVE, and it has Windows 7, 10, QNAS, whatever, and I think Proxmox as well. And then it gives you the quick start user manual, and it shows you how to set it up, where to connect the console. It says press F7, continue to BIOS. Anyway, let's move on. Power supply. This is a 12 volt, 5 amp, 60 watt power supply. It brings some accessories. I believe these plates are from either mounting on the wall, or yes, because this is not for hard. This is for mounting on the wall. In case you want to add a SSD SATA drive in there, you can. It has a different connection. I don't know what this is exactly for, but it has some pins, and then some more hardware. And let's get this out of the box. It is kind of heavy, actually. This is fanless. This has an Intel CPU, and I'll tell you exactly what CPU is in there. I have the information here, but it has a powerful 3865U processor, 4.6 cache, compatible with OpenSense, Linux. So yeah, this gives you a kind of quick hard disk. It has an eSATA, VGA, HDMI. Let's look at all the ports. So here you go. This is the power on button. I guess the reset button in there. HDMI, USB 3.1, USB 3.1, which is the blue USB, which is the fast, and then you plug in your console, and here you have, and this is why for me it's practical as a firewall appliance, because I can have multiple routers. I could set up VLANs and whatnot. I'm not gonna show you how to set up pfSense. There's plenty of videos out there. There's also another video where another YouTuber has a different brand of these, but in concept, and like I said, foundation, these are pretty much all the same. You can get these in Alibaba, you can get these in AliExpress, you can get them in eBay, Amazon. And again, this video is not sponsored, so I'm gonna open this up. I saw a video from a YouTuber. He opens his up. His had cheap memory. We're gonna open this one up. So this is gonna be a straight through video. So this one came, I did open this when I was first trying to make this video for you, the channel, and after I was done, I realized that I didn't hit the record button on the camera, and I had to start over again, and this is it. But I'm not going to edit it. This is what you see, which is going to be a raw take, which is what you get. So it has 4 screws. And then, by the way, I've already powered this up as well. It is pretty fast. It boots up pretty fast. See, this is where you would mount, I guess, the SATA hard drive. Now, if we go back in here, what do we see? Oh yeah, DDR4. So you could expand this. I don't know what's the max capacity. I guess that's if you want to install Windows on it. Unlike the other video I saw, this one did bring a 4 gig Samsung DDR4 memory card, but I swapped it out for this 8 gig, and that's more than enough for the use. It says support mini SATA, and then here you have the SATA connection, and I'm guessing if you want to install a SATA drive, you would plug this here and then here, and then you could just put in the hard drive. This, I'll figure out what this is for. Has a replaceable battery, which is great if you want to set it up as a PC. So as you can see, it has plenty of ports, which is what I want to use it for, as a firewall, so I could set up, connect different routers, and then have separate VLANs. It's very capable of running as a NAS hypervisor if that's what you wish to do. I'm sure this will run Proxmox without any issues. Like I said before, I replaced the 4 gig Samsung DDR4 memory for 8 gigs. That's more than enough for pfSense. I might just go in and plug this in. Let me just do this now, because I will lose it, and I will debate whether I'll this way you can see how this is. I'll debate whether I'll put a, because once you start installing, you plug that here, and then this one connects here. Once you start installing in pfSense, you can connect. There's software that you can install, like Suricata, Snort, and there's a whole bunch of like software that it supports. So there you have it. I guess you would put the hard drive in there, SSD. Don't use a mechanical hard drive because they generate heat. But there you have it. If you're on the fence about getting one, I highly recommend it. This is the OAKNODE. I don't know exactly what the model version is on this, but I will put a link in the description. Again, this video is not sponsored, and I will put links to other videos that I saw on similar devices where people review them, set them up, and hopefully that'll help you if you're considering getting one of these. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and share the videos.